Hey everyone, Ben with magicplan here. I have some exciting news for anyone currently using or thinking of using CoConstruct. magicplan now offers a direct integration that allows you to expedite your project estimation process. So what does this integration accomplish for you, the user? You will now be able to easily create parameters in CoConstruct estimates. As you know, magicplan is an industry-leading software for easily documenting spatial data. What do I mean by spatial data though? Relevant surface area for floors, perimeter wall measurements, the list goes on. All of this data can easily be transferred to CoConstruct with the simple click of a button in our Files and Sharing section. After sharing from magicplan, you will see that the corresponding estimate in CoConstruct is now populated with parameters. Using these parameters, you can now easily build out your estimates in CoConstruct using precise measurements, all without any manual data entry. We've been working really hard on this integration and we're excited to hear what you think. Drop us a comment below or reach out to our success team and let us know what you think. Have a great day.